What do you do when you come out to your dryer and you turn it on? And it makes that noise. I've worked on dryers before. Not this particular one, but today's project is to repair that. And in order to do so, you gotta unplug it and pull it out of there and disassemble it. And I got a parts package or a parts kit for it. It's got a roller kit, a belt, and a idler pulley. So that's what we're going to do today, and Missy's going to help me do what I need help with. So look what Missy brought us. Nice turkey sandwich.
And one homemade bread.
Well, yeah, she made this bread yesterday. There's some chips. We're having a lunch date on the swing. Fresh tomatoes too. We're going to start in on the dryer here in a little bit. It's not any big rush. Hope it goes well. Remember the other day on my last video, I had all this yard stuff cleaned up and everything? Well,
now you got more than 100 more limbs to pick up.
Yeah, got more limbs to pick up. And some of them up there beyond that well, which you can't really see very good. The blue jay up there, he's not happy. But I got more limbs to clean up.
And you got more birdhouses to put up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we saw on Facebook Marketplace.
One of your past students?
Yeah, one of my past students had 15 or 20 or something like that birdhouses for the $25.
Yeah.
So I got those. They're in the building.
They're like new, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. Some of them are. So I got those to put up too. Also got a mow. Got a lot of stuff I need to do.
It doesn't look that bad. Not back here, at least.
Yeah. And then, of course, it's going to rain again tomorrow. Oh, well, we'll be back. Get on that dryer. What's the first thing you need to do before you do any work on any appliance is unplug it. So she's unplugged. And I don't think I need to remove the hose down there because it's not in through the wall. I've got it on one of these things there, so no problem there. And of course, before I proceed, a little disclaimer, I am not a professional. I've worked on them before on my own. This is just the way I do things. It's not necessarily the right way to do things, but it works for me. So
it works for you, it works for me.
That's right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I got to pull the lint filter out. And this is not necessarily universal on all models, but this is a Maytag, I think. Yeah, Maytag.
Yep.
And works on most models. I'm going to take that thing there out. And I'm going to take those two screws there out. And then I'm going to use a tool, and I'm going to get under here, and there's two clips. I'm going to take those two clips out, and there's two screws on there I need to remove, and then at the top will come up and I can take the front off. So I'm going to put this down and go from there. Okay, now I took those two screws out of there and popped these two clips here loose with my putty knife, and that gives me access to these two bolts right there. There's one on both sides, one over there, and then I can take the front off.
You got one off?
Most. And there's two metal clips on there you want to make sure you don't lose.
What, these?
Right there.
Oh.
I gotta get that one over there now. Here's a bolt for you to hold. Here's a screw. To be more precise. And you don't want to lose those clips, because if you lose those clips, then it won't have anything to screw thread back into. So now, I don't know what you do with the other screws.
They're on top of the air compressor.
And this should be everything. And then this should come off. Before I go any further, anyway, for some reason these two screws were laying along the edge of the barrel. I'll show you where we found them. I unplugged the dryer again to disassemble it again. But we got lucky. I guess you call it lucky.
Yeah.
And I don't know how, but there were two screws laying in there. I'll pull that out. Just see this felt seal right there? Those screws were laying in that groove right there. One was there and one was there.
So now we're going to figure out some more things to take off. Yeah, I think the screw was in there. But there was a bunch of little beads and stuff down here.
Anyway, since we got off lucky with the other repair, we took that big thing she was just vacuuming out off the back, checked the fan there, cleaned out there, cleaned that. So pretty well cleaned it out.
Oh, I'm working on the cleaning this too.
And then we took all these little screws, so we try not to lose them. So now we just got to try to put it all back together. Anyway, we got her back together, all cleaned up. Everything's sounds like it should. This is going to clean the top of it off a little bit, and we're going to call this a win. So that wasn't too bad. We got off lucky.
Very.
We had the parts to completely rebuild it, but we didn't need them. So next time, if we ever have to do it again, we'll have the parts already.
Hopefully never.
All right.
Yeah,
You got anything
Maytag.
more to add, Melissa?
Nope. I'm glad it's working.
Yep.
Can't wait for you to do more laundry.
Yeah. So anyway, we'll sign off, and hopefully this helps you out a little bit. If you like this video, if you like hanging out with us, please like and subscribe and help our channel grow. Like I say, it's not just a motorcycle channel, it's a retired life channel, it's a whatever I feel like putting on here channel. So you guys have a good day, and we'll talk to you later.